Welcome to K Credit Repair. My name's Charlie. Come with me. Something's on your credit. It's keeping you from qualifying for home. You gotta come see us at K Credit Repair. Come on in.
Hey, what's up, Charles?
What's going on, buddy?
Why is the team here so valuable to the clients that we send to y'all?
Much like how in the military, one team, one fight, is how it is here. We're one team, there's one fight. As long as we're working together, there's no goal too big for us to accomplish.
How can I reach you?
Glad you asked me that. So I can be reached at area code 813-448-1493. The number again, area code 813-448-1493.